Congratulations on completing your training, or for some of you, your initial training as a physician. You have worked long, hard hours to gain the skills and confidence you need to be excellent doctors. Some of you will be serving our communities here in South Jersey, while others will be scattered across our nation. Wherever you choose to practice medicine, there is one thing in particular I hope you will carry with you, and that is Inspira's culture of patient safety, clinical excellence, and an outstanding patient experience. Why do I say this? There are two reasons. First, each patient you interact with deserves care that is based upon these fundamental elements. The second reason is about you and your future as physicians. If you stay focused on patient safety, clinical excellence, and providing a first-class experience, I have full confidence that you will be successful in your careers. Thank you for bringing your skills, talents, and unique perspectives to our hospitals and our community. You have learned, taught, questioned, diagnosed, cured, and comforted. That's a long way of saying you have fulfilled the Inspira mission of improving the lives of all we serve. One of the perks of my job is getting to see most of the letters from grateful patients and their families. I can tell you that these letters often mention you, our residents. Our patients appreciate you and what you bring to the hospital experience. On behalf of our trustees, leadership team, physicians, staff, and our patients, I want to thank each of you for your work at Inspira.
As always, it is an honor for me to be invited to speak to you on this momentous occasion. I'm sorry that, like so many graduates across the world, including my 18-year-old son, you can't gather with your fellow graduates, your faculty, and your loved ones as you had planned. I hope you're watching this virtual graduation ceremony with someone who holds a very special place in your life. Maybe someone who encouraged you through your journey to become a physician. Or someone who offered support during those years of study and long hours of clinical rotations. Or loved ones who you wanted nearby. I imagine you give considerable thought to how your future as a physician may change from this pandemic experience. Rules are changing for all of us. In my administrative role, so much of my job now focuses on being able to learn from this time and how we can better prepare and respond if this happens again. As part of my role at Inspira, I led the preparations for the surge of COVID-19 patients that were informed by the predictive models we are using. It was a testament to your training and to your performance as residents that gave us the confidence to count on you to be valuable members of our frontline team if it became necessary. We trusted you maybe before you even trusted yourself that you could provide that expert care to our patients. It's been a while since I was where you are today, embarking on your new medical career. But it hasn't been that long since I was a practicing OBGYN, so I hope you're open to a few words of advice. Take care of yourself, physically, mentally, and spiritually. If you don't, you're not going to feel fulfilled in your personal or your professional life. Don't get in over your head. You're anxious to get started, I know, but be patient. Continue to ask questions. Even the most knowledgeable physician asks questions. Commit to be a lifelong learner. Respect the important role of the nurse. They are your partners in care. Learn the names of the fellow members of your care team. Show respect for each of their roles. Stay humble. Remind yourself what you enjoyed during your years as a resident. If you interact with residents in your careers, pay it forward. Become involved. Make a connection to your community, your health network, or a professional association. It will pay off, and in probably more ways than you can imagine. And finally, remember why you got into medicine in the first place. Make that extra effort to connect with your patient as a person. Be compassionate, always, and remember the oath you took when you became a doctor. First, do no harm. I am so proud of your accomplishment, and I am proud that Inspira played a role in the fulfillment of your dream. Congratulations to you and your families, and Godspeed.
Dear graduates, at a time when our nation and our world are faced with uncertainty in virtually every sphere of life, there is one thing I am certain of. You will never forget your last 3 months of your residency here at Inspira Health. During your residency orientations 3, 4, or 5 years ago, we stood before you in person and promised that we would provide you with a wide range of clinical experiences, and we did. But I don't think any of us thought your training would include a global pandemic. Your dedication, professionalism, and courage were both impressive and inspiring. Each of you stepped up to face challenges that were not only new to you, they were new to healthcare professionals across the country. And at a time when questions far outnumbered answers, you adapted to changing guidance and evolving protocols, which were new to all of us. And what can I say about the faculty who mentored, taught, and counseled you? Somehow, they managed to stay focused on your graduate education in throes of an unprecedented challenge. Their years of experience and wisdom were critical to helping you navigate the unknown. To our graduates, it's unfortunate that we are unable to have a traditional graduation ceremony for you. I wish I could shake each of your hands and applaud you, but I can't. Instead, I'd like to offer my heartfelt congratulations and best wishes for a successful and fulfilling career in medicine. In the years you spent with us here at Inspira, you grew as physicians and as people. You learned what it means to be a doctor, and you honed your skills. Equally important, you taught and inspired us. Education is always a two-way street. Your graduating class will forever be linked to COVID-19. Although it has been a dark time for our nation, your spirit and determination to heal the sick and keep our communities safe have been a shining light of hope. Moving forward, no one will better be prepared than you, the Inspira class of 2020, to handle the challenges that come your way. I am proud of you. The medical profession needs you, and I thank you.
This is Imran Kabir, graduating from emergency medicine. I'll be headed down to Virginia Beach, Virginia, my hometown, working at Riverside Hospital.
My name is Madej Bey. My hometown is Fairfax, Virginia, and I'll be working for Innova Health Systems in Northern Virginia.
Hi, my name is Sharon Jaggi. I'm from Long Island, New York, and I'm going to Thomas Jefferson University Hospital for an endocrinology fellowship.
Hi, I'm Camille Cazzo from Princeton, New Jersey, going to Christiana Care in Delaware as a hospitalist and partial nocturnist.
My name is Jessica Guida. I'm originally from Media, Pennsylvania, and come August I'll be working as a general OBGYN in Paoli, PA.